what you should eat after a workout. So this person was concerned, and basically they said, what fruit is okay to eat after a workout if you want to lose weight? Is pomegranate seeds okay? Well, let's first start out with pomegranate seeds. So pomegranate seeds, you may or may not know, they're actually fairly high in calories when it comes to fruits, okay? So basically any type of fruit is okay to eat after a workout, but it will depend kind of if you are trying to lose weight or gain weight of what fruit might be the best for you, okay? So pomegranate seeds, if you're somebody who's trying to lose weight, since they do have a large amount of calories, might not be the best option to have right after your workout. Of course, you can eat them on a weight loss diet if your calories are in check and in control pretty darn well. So any fruit's okay. If you are trying to monitor your calories a little more around your workouts, maybe something like berries, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, those are a really great option, a little bit lower calories. Melons are really good too, so cantaloupe or honeydew. Watermelon, of course. Those are some kind of lower carb options for the amount of grams of fruit you would actually get. But at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter what fruits you're consuming so long as they fit within your calorie budget. Any fruit's good. Just find fruits you enjoy and don't stress it out. I personally like getting stuff that's in season. That's something that I really enjoy. But at the same time, I every single day eat a banana, an apple, and usually some grapes or blueberries or other handful of fruit with it, and some yogurt. I don't stress out about it. I fit them into my calorie budget. That works for me, and of course, it can 100% work for you as well. So go ahead and drop a like if you learned something new from that section. Go enjoy some fruit after your workout. You won't regret it.